Do I go get it or what?
Like, there you go. Over here.
I don't know, but I'm going for the fucking... Drive around it, bro.
You successfully defended yourself. You're losing ground.
Oh, I got it! Jesus Christ! No plates though.
Everyone in the safe zone.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
Did you almost die getting it?
Yeah, I got shot. But look at this train. This train might help.
Oh my God.
If you put it on the right side, we'll be fine.
Oh, there's a guy here. Oh, I killed him. Sorry, bud.
Less than 10 enemies remain.
Let me see if I can snipe.
Oh shit. Oh, man, I got this, baby. My truck, it went away from me.
Alright, Gavin, let's just get in this house over here.
I can't, bro. I'm pinned down.
You're pinned? Gavin! Dude, look at this fucking circle, bro!
Sniper on me. You want me to do that?
Fuck it, I'm getting in this car, bro. I don't even care.
Oh, it's still watching me.
You need help? You need help? You need help?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Three teams! There's three other teams! Three other teams! Do we run them all? Start running people over or what? Two teams, two teams!
I'm driving right behind you, bro. Just keep driving, bro.
This guy right there! Team right here!
You're losing ground.
Keep driving, bro. I can't hit.
I'm getting out, I'm getting out.
Time to go. Bring home the win.
Oh, he called me a pussy. Yeah, you suck, bud. Get in the car, Devin.
Right
Oh!
Over here.
I found the other one.
It's two against two.
Oh, I found one. It's 1v1, Devin.
Where's the other one?
1v1, teammate.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Crawl to me, crawl to me, crawl to
Oh my
me.
God. I'm calling. Oh, I'm behind this rock. Come on, teammate.
You'll make it. Just hang on.
He's coming up, he's coming up.